19 मार्च बरोज़ जुम्मतुल मुबारक जलसा सालाना गाना का आखिरी दिन था। हुजूर अनवर ने जुमा और असर की नमाजें जमा करके पढ़ाईं। इसके बाद हुजूर अनवर ने पहले मर्दों को हाथ हिलाकर अलविदाई सलाम कहा और फिर औरतों के हिस्सा में तशरीफ़ ले गए। औरतों की हालत ये थी कि हुजूर अनवर के दीदार के लिए बेताब हुई जाती थीं। जहाँ जहाँ भी हुजूर अनवर जाते, औरतें भरपूर जोश के साथ नारे लगातीं, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह की सदाएं बुलंद करतीं, अहलम व सहलम व मरहबा के अल्फाज बुलंद करतीं, रुमाल हिला हिलाकर अपने आका से मोहब्बत का इजहार करतीं। हुजूर अनवर ने हाथ हिलाकर उनके वालिहाना नारों का जवाब दिया। बड़ा काबिल दीद, रूह परवर और ईमान अफरोज और नाकाबिल बयान नज़ारा था। ख़वातीन को शर्फ ज़ियारत बख्शने के बाद हुजूर अनवर वहाँ से एक हॉल में तशरीफ़ ले गए जहाँ अपर वेस्ट, अपर ईस्ट और नॉर्दर्न रीजन और बरांग अहाफू रीजन से आने वाले 52 चीफ्स और आइमा हुजूर अनवर के इंतज़ार में खड़े थे। हुजूर अनवर अय्यदहुल्लाह ताला बिन नस्ल अज़ीज़ ने उन्हें शर्फ़ मुसाफ़ा बख्शा। हुजूर अनवर ने हाल से बाहर ड्यूटी पर खड़े चंद खुद्दाम को भी मुसाफ़ा का शर्फ अता फरमाया। इसके बाद 3 बजे हुजूर अनवर वापस अकरा मिशन के लिए रवाना हुए।
Muhammadu Rasulullah. La ilaha, la ilaha, la ilaha illallahu, la ilaha illallahu, Muhammadu Rasulullah. La ilaha, la ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, Muhammadu Rasulullah. La ilaha, la ilaha, la ilaha illallah.
शाम 7:25 पर जमात अहमदिया गाना की तरफ से हुजूर अनवर के एजाज़ में इस्तकबालिया दिया गया। इसका इंतज़ाम मिशन हाउस और मस्जिद के लॉन में किया गया था।
Coming from Kumasi just now.
No, I came here last night. And then today we have 14 heads of state in town. West African Summit, the ECOWAS, we're having a summit. Now, then in the next 30 minutes, we'll have a banquet for them. So, let's
This side?
let's move to that side. Let me greet this.
इधर कहाँ जाना है? अच्छा फिरते रहेंगे।
Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa, Ahmadiyya Islam, Ghana, Wuzu, Vice, Ghana, Wuzu.
हाँ? ओके। ये इनका क्या तारुफ है?
ये हमारे इस्लामिक लेडीज़ का एक लीडर है ये, और ये जाने में काफ़ी बड़ी ऊँची मुझे पर है।
अच्छा।
हाँ, और कुछ एजुकेशन फंड के मेंबर है उसका मैं।
You are educationist? हाँ। Very good.
It's one of the
Muslim leaders.
yes.
Walaikum assalam.
And this is director of education.
This district director of education. In which district?
The name Ame Aburi.
Aburi. Right. Right. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. अच्छा, तो आप कौन कौन आया है? मैं चाहता था कि आप वो शायद औरतों को वाइस प्रेसिडेंट सर को इंट्रोड्यूस बट दे
I am the paper
Thank you for coming. Pleased to see you.
Welcome. We have very good relations. Very good relations. We are very good friends.
Thank you for coming.
How are you? Good to see you.
इस तकरीब में ममलकत गाना के नायब सदर अलहाज अलीउ महामा भी शामिल हुए। उन्होंने मेहमानों से खिताब करते हुए हुकूमत गाना और उसकी आवाम की तरफ से हुजूर अनवर को गाना में खुश आमदेद कहा। उन्होंने कहा, हुजूर अनवर जब से खिलाफत के मनसब पर सरफराज हुए हैं, यूरोप से बाहर ये पहला विजिट है। हम तो इसे होम कमिंग कहते हैं। उन्होंने जमात अहमदिया गाना की तरफ से शोबा तालीम, सेहत, ज़राअत के मैदान में की जाने वाली खिदमात को सराहा।
I am honored to be invited to speak at this reception in honor of His Holiness Hazrat Mirza Masroor on this Quran matter, on his historic visit to Ghana. On behalf of His Excellency the President and the people of Ghana, I wish to take this opportunity to offer a special welcome to His Holiness to Ghana. Indeed, even though this is the first visit of His Holiness to any country outside Europe, since he was elected Khalifa in April 2003, we in Ghana see it as a homecoming. We are filled with joy and pride that His Holiness, who has been associated with Ghana, continues to cherish his relationship with the Muslim community in particular and Ghana in general. His Holiness' 8 years of active service in Ghana makes him a special person in our hearts, and we believe his decision to visit his second home out of 170 countries since his election confirms how special we are to him. We acknowledge the immense contribution of His Holiness in the spiritual, educational, and economic sector towards the development of our country. As a missionary, a teacher, a manager, and agriculturalist, the Khalifa devoted his energy and intellect to the well-being of Ghana during his stay and service in this country in the late 70s and 80s. The Ahmadiyya Muslim Mission, introduced in our country some 83 years ago, which is not very long in the history of a religious community, has made an appreciable contribution to the development of Ghana in the fields of education, health, and agriculture. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, a very admirable trait of the Ahmadiyya Mission, Muslim Mission, is its tolerance. It is a religious organization which has practically demonstrated its preparedness to cooperate with all other religious bodies, Muslim and Christian alike, to achieve unity, harmony, and peace for our country, as well as discipline and moral excellence for its membership. These admirable traits of the mission, as well as the social services to humanity, are easily attributable to a humane, enlightened, and spiritual leadership. In my message on the occasion of the Eid al-Adha this year, I emphasized the need for us to maintain peaceful coexistence and exhibit tolerance to sustain our democracy so that our beloved country will enjoy peace, stability, and prosperity, among other benefits. As a government, we are committed to the pursuit of programs and activities in the furtherance of the realization of the principles of good governance, which include respect for human rights, political pluralism, equity, access to knowledge, information, and education, and of course, attitudes and values that foster responsibility, solidarity, and tolerance. Being an election year, His Holiness, it is crucial that we Muslims play our diligent part to keep the peace. We must accommodate each other's opinions, conduct, and beliefs without duress or intimidation. We must appreciate the essence of the values of liberal democracy, the guiding principle of which is that government is derived from public opinion, overtly and freely expressed, and to which it is accountable. We must also understand that government sets out to rule not in the interest of any one group or alliance of groups, but in the common interest of all. Above all, we must be tolerant because no group has any moral justification for imposing any creed, philosophy, religion, or ideology upon the rest of the society. This is an essential quality for nation building, especially in a multi-ethnic and multi-religious country and world. We are also reminded of the message of peace delivered by His Holiness on the 11th of October, year 2003, at the commissioning of Europe's largest mosque, established by the Ahmadiyya Muslim community in London. And I am happy to say that I was able to visit this great mosque when I was in London last year. And I quote, that Islam teaches us to always be mindful towards Allah, who is our creator, and to always keep His memory fresh in our hearts and to deal with His creation with love, affection, harmony, and tolerance. This is the sum total of the teaching given to us by our own Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So, if this is the teaching of the religion, how can slogans of hatred be shouted from the rooftops of mosques that are supposed to be the places of worship for followers? A true Muslim can never raise his voice in hatred against his fellow citizens, nor, for that matter, against the ruling authority or government of the time. On this note, we warmly welcome His Holiness to Ghana and wish him a pleasant visit. We have no doubt that he will be made to enjoy the proverbial Ghanaian hospitality wherever he visits, the missions, educational, and health establishments, as well as the missionary centers in the country. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Your Holiness, we have no doubt that you will also pray earnestly for continued unity, peace, and progress of Ghana, for Ghana. We need such prayers of all well-wishers, especially because this is an election year. I want to thank you, and may Allah bless all of us. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. All our Malams are standing here. Huh? Thank you. I hope when I reach there, Twa, you would be there.
I hope, inshallah. I will leave here on Sunday.
And to Mr. Nuruddin's place also.
He's going to be your host.
Yes. He's my very old friend.
Your memory is very good. You still remember faces and so forth. I remember, I understand you even remembered where I was working before you left.
Yes. That is what I told him itself. Assalamualaikum Bashir Sahab, kya haal hai? When are you leaving back to your country?
I have some few more days, sir.
Now Ghana is no more your country. Yeah? On 12th? On?
No, on the 30th of this month.
30th of this month. Assalamualaikum. Okay, Assalamualaikum. 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 Imam?
He is the representative of the chief.
Chief Imam,
He has
yes.
asked me to give you all his best wishes.
Thank you very
All
much.
his
Thank
best
you.
wishes.
Thank you
And
very
may
much.
God help you.
Thank you very
In
much.
particular in Ghana, and you too, may God
Thank
help
you.
you.
Thank you
brother.
very
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you. You came yesterday for our conference.
Yes, you saw me.
And, yes. And
Thank you very much.
you gave a very good speech.
Yes, we wish you the best. You give the best. You give the best, and we have to read it again and again and again. Inshallah. We have to read it again and again. Inshallah. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. We wish you safe journey.
If you see it, my message was for the whole country, not confined only to my own people only.
Message show that you have experience for Ghana. People were saying you were calling some very, very intricate dishes of Ghanaian, which we don't mention, banku and all. We like it. You're a practical man. We thank God. We thank God for that. Thank God. Thank you very much, sir. My brother. Thank you.
Why are you not getting on the table?
I want to have much of him, not the table. Inshallah.
But at least we should have something.
Yes, I had something.
You had that chance.
Thank you very much.
Let's see the Gachi.
Assalamu alaikum. Acha.
The landlord of the
Area.
where we live in
Pleased to meet you also.
he's a well-wisher of the community. Whenever we have invited him, he has made time to come to speak.
I hope you don't get disturbed when our people raise too much of slogans, huh? Or you are used to now, I think. That is the only thing.
Have they brought something to me today? Have you taken anything? Otherwise, I'll bring something later.
Assalamu alaikum. Acha. Assalamu alaikum. You are the only person who has taken something.
Okay.
Ye kaun hai?
This Mr. Akins,
Assalamu alaikum.
Justice Akins was Attorney General as well as Supreme Court Judge, and he went to Kadian
Kadian also.
for the
And
centenary
some 2-3 days
celebration.
back, his program was coming on Ghana television. He's the one like.
Yes, that's right. He's a good friend of the Jamaat. Yes. He's a good friend of the Jamaat. We didn't bring you a ring today, did you? Oh, you didn't. It's a shame. Yes, a ring from Kadian.
Acha.
So how are you?
Oh, I'm fine. This is the other son.
अच्छा अस्सलाम वालेकुम
इस तकरीब में
अच्छा
मुख्तलिफ सियासी शख्सियात
अच्छा
जिनमें एम्बेसडर ऑफ द वेटिकन हेड ऑफ द कैथोलिक चर्च इन घाना, नेशनल चेयरमैन फॉर एनपीपी,
अच्छा और
जनरल सेक्रेटरी फॉर
कौन है?
एनपीपी, एम्बेसडर ऑफ ईरान,
अच्छा
Irani cultural ambassador, former minister of defense, or honorable regional minister for Upper West,
when are you going back?
general secretary for National Reconciliation Commission शामिल थे.
I thought you will stay for 3 months 12th of June. अच्छा अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Please, regional president Upper East.
अच्छा
We're going to Ghana.
अच्छा
That's the nearest region in Ghana. That's
And he-
Sacher.
is Sacher.
Sacher Secondary School.
Yes,
So met
that
him.
time.
Have you met him? You haven't? So meet him.
Assalamu alaikum. He is introduce yourself.
Major Mahmoud Sita.
He is major in the army, serving.
I was.
Now you are retired, not serving. I have also got one Major Mahmood with me.
Good.
Assalamu alaikum.
Niada too.
Assalamu alaikum.
He's the gentleman of yes. Acting government.
Acha. Assalamu alaikum.
Because of the insurance thing, you came to represent
Yes,
me.
it
I
was-
hope everything went
And he
well.
represented you excellently. Yes, very, very well. Very, very well.
And you're also most welcome.
Thank you very
Realize
much.
You've stayed here for so long.
Yeah.
So move the headquarters here. So welcome for coming here.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, and thank you for inviting me here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Huh?
He's a cousin of mine. He's a university lecturer.
Lecturer.
And he writes
And which subject?
in the newspaper accounting.
Accounting. Achha.
But people know him more as a writer in the newspapers than in accounting.
Achha.
Yes, he's written a few books. What is actually the situation?
और कौन है?
We are going.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Oh, hello.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. How are you? He's from Nigeria. And he works with a big construction firm.
Here in Ghana. Achha. The firm is Nigeria-based firm or international firm? Ghanaian. Huh?
International company from Egypt.
From Egypt. Achha. Achha. Who else?
We are trying to
Find somebody.
8 o'clock. Within about 15 minutes.
कौन को नमाज कहाँ पढ़नी है?
Have you met him?
No. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Hey! That guy! Now, Krabna come home.
Thank you very much.
He is the head of a community known as Ekenka. And we have excellent relations. It's a religious relationship.
Thank you for
These are
coming.
some of his
We are happy
top executives.
that
Top executives.
you are here in Ghana to bring some of your blessings to this country. We need it very much. And this interaction is also very good for our mutual benefit. We are all working
Inshallah.
together to ensure peace and prosperity in this country. And your presence is very much welcome.
Thank you.
Sheikh Gader, one of the leaders.
Assalamu alaikum.
One of the Muslim leaders in this country.
Acha.
And a very good friend of the Jama'ah. Because he started
pleased to
the
see you.
program.
Yeah, you know, with him, he got an idea and he pushed me and made the Islamic program on television a reality. Now we have Islamic television programs on all the TV channels. And this is his push. And again, even more than that, he did some wonderful thing to unite all the Muslims in the country for us to get a holiday. And
That
he
is
proposed the idea of National Hilal Committee. Yes, so the
So you have already formed the committee?
yes, I'm now the acting chairman of the National Hilal Committee. It was his idea. The whole country accepted it. So now through that we got a national.
Royat Halal.
So we have 2 holidays now to celebrate the Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. And all of us start fasting on the same day and we break on
Acha.
the same day. Before there used to be a lot of discouragement.
When you see the moon, you announce on the television and radio.
Yes, if you see, and if you are not able to see, then
Then you can calculate it.
yes.
Acha.
I am honored to have met you.
He is the pronunciation.
The nuncio, the head of the Catholic Church. And
He represents the Pope.
Pope, yeah. And I want to express my deep appreciation for the Ahmadiyya community. You are doing good job, work for the people.
Thank you very
the
much.
medical section and also education. And we have a very good relationship with you. One more thing I want to say. He has been nominated and he is working as a member of the National Reconciliation Commission. That itself is a recognition of the community. So that is you are proud of that one. And as a member of the reconciliation, that's the one that the government is trying to.
Thank you for your comments. Gesture.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I hope your visit will be a good success here. And actually you will give a boost to the people, our ordinary people. That
is what I pray.
Yeah, that's what we need.
Yes, yes.
It will be an encouragement for the people.
You will get the blessings of Allah, inshallah. Inshallah.
Thank you. Thank you.
The chiefs want to have a picture.
There are how many chiefs? Where should I stand? Come here or here?
Okay.
You tell me the place. Okay.
Yesterday you represented them very well. Thank you.
अच्छा अच्छा
She just came because Uzo went to she just came today.
So I have been there twice. Now this is the third time I come. So,
I can speak in English.
yes, yes, of course.
Well, this is a representation of the Ekankar Church and regional spiritual aid in the person of Dr. Samuel Duke is with
Yes, we have already met.
And this is the information director.
He was here the other day.
That's right.
Okay.
And I am the one who sweeps the house and keep it clean. I really do. We've heard so much about you. We feel so proud of you to make Ghana a part of your family. Thank you.
Thank you for coming here also and for these kind gestures and comments. You didn't come for our conference yesterday.
We were there. Oh, we
You
were
were there?
We were sitting right behind you.
So that is why I couldn't see you.
Oh, because you see, you were trying to see all those people, and you had such a great job to do. And we were quite happy to just get a glimpse of you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And I believe you're leaving us tomorrow morning.
Inshallah, yes.
Take our love with you.
Thank you. May Allah bless you all.
Thank
Thank you. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam. Assalamu alaikum. नहीं मौलाना आपके
We would like to have a picture with him because of his connection with Kadian.
Yes.
I hope this time too I'll have the authenticated copy of his.
Yes.
Like we had in Ghanaian.
What is it? The Khudam? Khudam are here.
Khudam without tray? No?
Yes, he has been the secretary.
You are what? Naib Sadr?
And it's Abbas Wilson. He is a geodetic engineer. So if we look at that, I photograph of them.
Let me stand here then.
Yes, let
You want? You come forward.
How do you say?
Yes.
You are in the cup. You are in the cup.
It's all right?
Yes, it's all right.
Okay. Wa alaikum salam. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum.
जो ना इलाज जो सोने से बना हुआ है
अच्छा
इसने काम किया
अच्छा
सोना है yes
अच्छा अच्छा
हाँ he is an expert because he's a graduate in that field
अच्छा अस्सलाम वालेकुम
all those
no problem Assalamualaikum 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 Assalamualaikum
Ahmed Bello. Kwame Asantu wa Kwame Asantu Alhaji Kwame Asantu Kwame Asantu wa
That's all?
Yes. Now we'll prepare for prayer.
हाँ जी, ये कौन सा है? अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
That's one of our artists. He designed this as well as Salah and this.
अच्छा.
The decorations of the conference center and everything.
अच्छा. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Assalamu alaikum. How's it?
He is the paramount chief of Asokore. And yes, he used to be at the United Nations when Joseph Khan served. He is the one who drafted our constitution in Ghana. He's an accomplished lawyer.
Very pleased to meet you, Your Holiness.
Thank you.
And did you get my
I got your
email?
facts.
Yeah, my
Yes,
facts.
we got the facts.
Tomorrow.
So, yes, inshallah. And you know the day that we'll be seeing the Otunfo, that very day he's also calling on him. There's a possibility that we need him.
Okay.
Wouldn't you come in and...
all right, thank you very much.
ठीक है. Okay, thank you for...
My photograph. Is there anybody here with a photograph? With a camera?
आ जाएं. Yes. Yes. ठीक.
8:20 पर इस्तकबालिया की ये तकरीब अपने इख्तिताम को पहुंची.
How many films you have used? How many films you have used up to now?
500.
500 films or snaps?
Snaps.
I thought films.
No, this is digital.
500 rolls. It's digital, right? Assalamu alaikum.